Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarin and I make videos about cleaning, decorating, and new mom life. In today's video, you'll be seeing Magnus make a couple appearances while I clean most of the downstairs of the house. I've been needing to get this done and I've been meaning to, but it's been tough because a couple weeks ago we got sick and it's just been hard to get back on track ever since then. If you want to see more videos like this from me, please subscribe. I hope this video serves as some great cleaning motivation for you. And always, thank you so much for watching. So we are starting off by cleaning up the kitchen. It's something that I do in some capacity every day. It's almost like going to the gym. You just have to constantly do it. It's never really done. Playtime break. I love taking just a couple minutes to reconnect with Magnus, and I know that he really appreciates it because at this age he can only occupy himself for so long. I don't usually watch TV during the daytime. I like to leave the TV off until the evening, but if I do put something on, I like to put on YouTube and watch cleaning videos very similar to this one. I find them so motivating, and I really hope that this does the same for you. Now back to finish up in the kitchen. I've mentioned before in previous videos that this is my parents' house and my husband and I live here with my dad. This is the house that I grew up in. He will actually be selling this house probably at the end of the summer and we will all be moving out. Honestly, I'm really excited to live somewhere new and hopefully somewhere with like more of a modern layout. My husband and I have lived here just over a year, so we really are used to having our own space and getting to decorate. I'm really excited to decorate again. And the best part is I will get to make videos of all of it. I will probably make videos of us looking for somewhere to live, moving, decorating, everything. Something I have learned from YouTube cleaning videos is that the last thing you do should always be your floors. You should be dusting everything, wiping off your counters, and finishing off with the floor, because if you think about it, when you are wiping off surfaces or anything in the room, you are knocking dust and debris onto the floor. So floors last always. When I vacuum, you will notice that I always put these yellow noise canceling headphones on Magnus. I read one time that you really have to protect their ears, and even the volume from a vacuum is enough to damage a baby's hearing. Normally, he doesn't mind the headphones, but he was not into it this time, so I didn't really do a very thorough job of vacuuming. I just did it quickly and finished up. I bought this vacuum last year. It is a cordless Dyson, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it's the easiest vacuum to use. You can take it apart and pretty much clean up anything with the different attachments. I absolutely recommend it, and I feel like I will never have another type of vacuum again. We don't actually hang out in this room too much, so I don't clean in here super often. I do vacuum in here just about every day because that pet bird throws its food everywhere. And if I don't vacuum, then the food gets tracked all throughout the house. Magnus grew out of his bassinet this week, so I'm going to wipe it down, disinfect it, and make sure that it is ready to be sold on Facebook Marketplace. That is a great place to look for baby items. You can find so much there. I did end up selling this and someone picked it up today. I was surprised. I actually felt sort of nostalgic when they took it, and this is the first time that I felt that way about Magnus growing out of something. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.